Hello, my name is Amankwesi John, and I'm here to present environmental pollution policies affecting business in Ghana. This is the table of contents. Introduction, external environmental issue, industry level impact, firm level analysis, strategic frameworks, strategic evaluation, and conclusion. Case study focus, mining sector in Ghana with a close look at Newmont Corporation operations, environmental regulations, strategic decision making, ESG and sustainability. Introduction, businesses faces significant external environmental pressure shaping their long-term strategy. Ghana's Environmental Protection Agency enforces regulations to limit industrial pollution. Companies must manage waste, cut hazardous emissions, and conduct environmental impact assessment. Non-compliance leads to financial penalties, operational restrictions, or reputational harm. This study focuses on the mining sector, especially Newmont Corporation operations in Ghana. The analysis of the external environmental issues, the origin, environmental concern from mining, industrial development to industrial development to EPA, Ghana and state pollution control regulations. Recent trends, investors and government demand environmentally responsible operations, stricter frameworks, and sustainability reporting. The global scope, companies must comply with both local Ghanaian law and international environmental standards. Community pressure, citizens near mining areas rise concern over water pollution, farmland destruction, and biodiversity loss. Monitoring requirements, farmers regularly measure emission, monitor water quality, and report environmental performance. Cost versus benefit. Policies increase operational costs short term, but promote sustainable development and risk reduction long term. The industrial level impact. The higher cost. Investment in pollution control, monitoring systems, and land rehabilitation increases cost structure. The cooperation. Companies must engage governments, communities, and regulators to maintain their license to operate. The barrier to entries. Strictly EIA requirements and permit make it harder for new miners firms to enter the market. Technology adoption, ESG pressure, transparency, firm level analysis, Newmont cooperation, global mining company with major operation in Ghana, Alphamine and Achim Mine. The corporate strategy, environmental sustainability is a key pillar. The company acknowledge mining risk and commit minimize environmental impact. The capital allocation, significantly investment in environmental protection technologies, water management system, and land reclamation programs. Risk disclosure, regulator change, pollution incident, and climate-related issues are identified as material risks to operations and financial performance. The monitoring system, environmental monitoring system, and sustainability programs implement to proactively address identified environmental risks. The strategic frameworks, personal analysis, political and legal, environmental, technological. Newmont operation Newmont operation are subject numerous evolving environmental law requiring continuous strategy adjustments. The environmental. Newmont commit to minimize meditating and remediating environmental damage throughout the mine life cycle. The technological, investing in cleaner energy solutions and climate inactivities to reduce EAG emissions and support a low carbon economy. The strategic frameworks, Stakeholders, RBV and the dynamic capabilities. The stakeholder analysis, governments, regulations, local communities, investors and shareholders, environmental organizations, employees, resource-based view, advanced mining technologies, environmental management system, dynamic capabilities, adapt strategy to evolve regulations, climate target to reduce EG by 2030, aim for carbon neutrality by 2050. The strategic evaluation, key finding, mining companies must rethink strategy and adopt sustainable practice. Newmont Sustainability Integration position it to effectively management environmental risks. Environmental policing is a major strategic risk requiring proactive risk management. Strong ESG practice, attractive investors and strengthen long-term reputation. Strategic recommendations, investing in co-friendly technologies, strengthen stakeholders' engagement, expand sustainability reporting, develop environmental risk strategies, collaborating with EPA Ghana, set measurable environmental targets. The conclusion, environmental pollution policy is a major external force reshaping the mining industry in Ghana. Regulator compliance, sustainability investments, and stakeholder engagement are now core strategy imperative. Newmont Corporation demonstrate that proactive integration of environmental sustainability into corporate strategy lead to better risk management and long-term competitiveness. Firms that lead on environmental responsibility are better positioned to attract investment, maintain community trust, and achieve sustainable growth. Thank you.